Give me 59 seconds and I'll show you why coding is freedom. Most people think coding is about functions, syntax, and complicated logic, but that's not what coding really is. Coding is the ability to take an idea in your head and make it real. A website, an app, a tool that solves someone's problems. That's a superpower that you're not taking advantage of. But here's the price. You'll hit bugs, things will break, you'll feel stuck, and sometimes you wonder if you're even smart enough for this. But that struggle is the price of entry. Because once you learn this skill, you're not just learning technology anymore, you're building it. You can create tools, start businesses, or solve problems that matter to you. That's freedom. So stop waiting for the perfect idea. Look at something that frustrates you and build something that fixes it. That's the moment you'll realize coding isn't just code, it's freedom. And if you don't believe me, then that's your sign to start right now.